What's cracking, everyone? Good morning, or good afternoon, good evening, whatever the hell you're watching this. So, we're going to work on a Chevy Express van today. Let me show you what we're doing. So, we are going to change the oil in this, okay? This is 2017 Chevy Express with a 6-liter. Okay, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life first. So, over here, I already reset mine, but I'll show you again. So, click that little button, and your oil life will pop up, okay? And then you just push and hold this button, and that will reset to 100%, okay? Quick, easy, simple to reset the oil life monitoring system on these things. So, none of that pumping the gas pedal a few times crap on these anymore. So that's nice. So we'll go ahead and get this thing up in the air, and we'll keep going. Make sure you get it up on your ramps, just so you know they can cave in and break, you know, when you're supposed to be being safe. So I guess we'll jack it up. So if you go to CarQuest Premium, that's your oil filter, and then 22-inch blades on both sides. So we'll go ahead and show you how to do wiper blades on this. So, pretty standard wiper blade. Underneath there's a thing, and you just kind of pull that tab. It's hard to do it one-handed. You pull the tab, and then the wiper blade will come right out. Let's see if I can do it with my right hand. My left hand's kind of gimpy right now. See? I got 6 stitches in my thumb. Okay. Get your new blade, and it's just a standard blade. And it just goes right in like that. And it clicks in, and then you can remove the blade cover. Make sure it's in there, and set it down. Alright, let's pop this hood and get ready to do an oil change. Okay, so your oil filter is on the driver's side of the pan, and your drain plug is on the passenger side. Your drain plug is a 15mm. So go ahead and spin that off and let it drain. I'm going to let it drain, and I'll be right back. Alright, and again, this is your CarQuest Premium oil filter. These do take Dexos 5W30, so grab whatever brand of oil you want. As long as it's Dexos certified, you're fine. We typically use Mobil 1. Not suggesting that at all, but that's just what I typically use. We're going to go ahead and start with 6 quarts. I can't remember if these take 6 or 7, so we're going to start with 6. And we'll start the engine, run it for a few seconds, shut her off, and check it. One thing to keep in mind when you are putting your new oil filter on, let me pull it out quick. Make sure and oil that seal, and quarter turn past hand tight on those. It doesn't need to be tighter than that. Alright, so get your 6 quarts in there. Pull the mile-long dipstick and clean it off, and we'll stick it back in, and then we'll excuse me. Then we'll check the level. I'll be right back. So we wiped it off, stuck it back in, and we're about probably half a quart low. So I'm gonna shove about another half a quart in there. I did put 6.5 quarts in, so I'm going to go ahead and put another half quart in, and this will be. I was wrong. I read my bottle wrong. So 6 quarts in this bad boy. So start it, check it, make sure you don't have any oil leaks, and you're good to go. So we'll wrap this up. It's hot, rainy, sticky, and sweaty today. So everyone from my family to yours, Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share us. Deuces.